That is wicked. God, just in the middle of nowhere as well. We're literally in the middle of nowhere. God, it looks like, do you know what it looks like? It looks like the base of a Land Rover. Like the back end, it's got like Land Rover tail lights. And it's just been converted to a Caterpillar off-road beastie, which is pretty cool. It's not been moved for a long time and it's still got like leaf springs on it. It's got leaf springs, look at that. This thing's nuts. So, the question is, how many body panels do we recognise on this? I'm going to go through what I think I recognise. So, I think we've got a Land Rover body. Are we talking maybe 2CV hood or something? Headlights perhaps? Land Rover front arches by the looks of it. Definitely that grille, definitely, or that bonnet looks like 2CV or something. That is cool. See something like this, it just makes me want to just drag it out and save it. See if I can get it going. Awesome. I bet it's the kind of thing that you just jump in and it just start right up. Anyway. Wicked. Let's have a look at the speedo on it and stuff. It's got a bottle of something cool there. 792 miles by the looks of it. This thing's ace. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. We're just doing a little bit of walking. Came across that. That's pretty cool. And I'll leave it in its resting spot. And if I see anything else that's cool, I'll share it.
In the garage under the bright light, Slick Rick's got the tools ready to ignite. With a wrench in hand, he shares his know-how. Teaching the world, come on, let's get it now. Oil changes, brakes, and mufflers too. He's breaking it down, showing what to do.